I've generated over 2,000 images with a Krea2, and in today's video, I will show you a simple prompt techniques that can make anyone, even with no experience, to create a stunning images like this one you've seen on the screen. Check out the quality, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. And before we're diving into tutorials, I want to show you some best generation I've got out of 2,000 images. And I just really like this one, and this image just show you guys how this model handling the realism. And luckily this is AI generated images, so no actress or actors being harmed during production of this video, so do not worry. So now we don't need to drop a car in the river to make images like this one. And this one, the overall mood and lighting is really nice. I really like this photo. This one is absolutely stunning. The jellyfish is actually the outfit. And this one is the fan favorite. And everyone thinks this photo is super cool. And then we can zoom in a lot more to check the details. And guys, the skin details and texture and the smokes. And look, all this skin texture. Can you see that, guys? That is insane. And here's another one, and this is a professional photography with a good mood and the lighting, and you can see in here is out of focus and in here is sharp focused and diagonal compensation, and overall just a very balanced image. And this is a showcase of a realism, and guys, check out this flower. How cool is that? And the hair on the hand and the tattoo and the energy. And looks the closing texture. Man, this is absolutely nuts. Look at that mesh. And here's another variance, and still very cool. And this is the queen. And this is someone got frozen. And this is someone catch on fire with a bird. And let's have a look at the bird. I think this is more like an eagle. But look the head. Look at that hair. That's so realistic. And let's check out the reflection on the leather. Yeah, that is insane. Look the orange and the blue of the fire. Now let's get into the secret. How can you generate same images like this? If you're watching this and you don't have a hardware, you think your computer is not strong enough to run this, don't walk away. I have a free giveaway to allow anyone, even with a phone and a laptop, can run this model. Let's come to our slides number 2. So the most important part of this image model is prompting. Oh, by the way, the reason why I'm not showing my face today is because I'm sick. I have a flu, but that's not going to stop me making a video. So then the most important part is how do you write good prompt? And this channel called Prompt Mastery for a good reasons is I'm very good at writing prompt. And then I even build you Claude skills that you can download for free and to use it to help you to write prompt for Krea2 to generate the same stunning images like I show you in the beginning of this video. So after you download it, you should see a Krea2 image reverse engineering skill.md. And so go to your Claude and comes to customization. And then under the skills, you can add a skill and upload a skill, and then choose the skill to upload to drop it here. And once you load the skills, now we just come to a new window of Claude, and then we type / for skills, and then we just choose the Krea2 image reverse engineer, and then we just send it off. And then you give you 2 options. The number 1 is describe what I want, and 2 is upload a reference image. Let's just go with the first one. And so in here, you can just type a very simple prompt, and then the Claude skills will help you to generate stunning images. For demonstration purposes, I'm just making something up on the go right now. So a very powerful galaxy witch in a pirate ship inspired spacecraft. And let's just hit send. So based on that simple prompt, Claude has written me a whole essay. I'm just not gonna rate it, I'm just gonna copy it. So now we come to ComfyUI, and if you use 1.2 GP, don't walk away yet. I will show you guys how to do that as well. This is my simplified Krea2 ComfyUI Turbo workflow, and this does not get any easier, guys. So pretty much just resolution and the prompt and hit generate, and that's all you have to do, right? I'll probably include it in the resource pack, and I'm using the official Krea2 Turbo FP8. I think this model compare all the other fine tunes, and this model have the best aesthetic styles and artistic look. All right, now let's paste the prompt, and set the resolution. So this is gonna be a landscape and 2K resolution, and let's go. And here we go, guys. After 27 minutes, the stunning images has been generated. That actually looks very good. Let's have a close inspection of these photos in the full screen. And the lighting, like golden hour lighting coming from the left side, and you can see the yellow lighting on this side and light up her face in here, and there's some kind of rim lighting on the hair. And look at the magical part. That looks pretty cool. That looks like better than my profile photos. And we can see the galaxy in the background, and it's just a stunning photos and give me a good mood. And look the texture, and look at texture of the clothing and the face. I think this is at least 9 out of 10 image in one hit. So try this one out. So now we covered the path 1, which is natural language, describe it, Claude enhanced it, and the result is absolutely mind-blowing. And then now we choose the path 2, which is image to prompt. So drop any photos, Claude will reverse engineering it. All right, guys, I found this photo, I think is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna download this image. Now let's come to a new Claude page and load the skills again. And as waiting for the Claude to load, and let's have a look at this image. The image is a great concept, but the quality is like 2025. And now it's time to give it a makeover. And then you ask you upload a reference image and describe what you want. So this time we're gonna upload a reference image. And then we just come here, choose the images, and then just upload. And then they will ask you, do you want to recreate as it is or make changes? And you can actually make any photo of your own. You can change characters, outfit, hair, scenes, and whatever you want. But that is more advanced. And for today's demonstration, I'm just going to create as it is. Now the Claude write the prompt. Now we just copy that. And now instead of going my local ComfyUI, I'm going to this website, and this is the exact workflow I deploy on the cloud, so you guys can use. Even you have no computers, you can run this on the phone. All right, just launch on the cloud. And now this exact ComfyUI user face just load up like the one I showed you guys before on my local computer, but this time it's on the cloud. And then everything is being done for you. You just need to paste the prompt. All the models being loaded and downloaded, configured. And this time we're gonna do a portrait photo, and now just hit generate. After you hit generating, as you can see, same as ComfyUI, is starting to move. And guys, you can use these platforms for completely free by using my sign up links. You will receive 1,000 coins to just get you going. And then let's see how many coins will cost me to generate this image. Well, the image has generated, but I did not see how much coins it cost. It isn't quite the same as the reference image, but I think that's actually a good thing because this is a recreating process, is not exact copy. And let's run it again. And from my experience, Krea Turbo have very low variance. So if I run it again, I'm probably getting something very similar. Our second time, it only costs 8 coins. It's faster, 8 coins, and now we generated. If you like the photos, just download and look on your locals. That's a 1080p, still very, very good result. So this is the workflow I deployed called Turbo Pure Fast. So 30 seconds to generate. I think the graphic card this platform use is 4090. By using my link in the description, you will receive 1,000 coins, and that can allow you to generate almost 200 images. All right, guys, so there's no excuse to not try this now. Last but not least, if you're using 1.2GP, same concept, come to the image generation here. You have Krea2, and then choose Turbo and paste the prompt from the Claude on here and change your resolution. And then pretty much just hit generate, and then you will generate exact same images. All right, guys, thanks for watching today's video. I will leave all the resources on the description so you guys can grab. And happy prompting, happy generates. And my name is Reno, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.